G'day guys, you're back with Miracle Max. Look, I'm going to give you a really quick one today. It's just a service interval reset on a Mitsubishi Mirage 2016 model. It's fairly simple. Let's have a look at the little spanner up there. That's the bloke that we want to get rid of, right about there somewhere. And to do that, as you can see, the ignition's turned on at the moment. We turn our ignition to the off position. We scroll through until we get through onto those lines. We hold the button in that position. You can now see that the spanner is flashing, and we just press it once again. It comes up with clear. We're now set. We can turn our ignition to the on position, and the spanner has now disappeared. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you got something from it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Feel free to like or comment down below. And as promised, this is a quick one. This is Miracle Max signing off. I will catch you later.